Guess what? The Dodge is still cutting off. I changed the ASD relay, so now I'm going to change the crank position sensor. This is the Dodge Intrepid Chrysler 300 with a 2.7 liter. You can find the crank position sensor on the passenger side of the engine, right up in here. There's another angle of it. It's held in with one 10mm bolt. I got a 10mm right here. Yeah, I replaced the relay because it had burnt out contacts on it. I was hoping that would be the solution. Now I'm replacing the crank position sensor. I believe on these engines they can continue to run even when the cam position sensor has failed, but they cannot run with the failed crank position sensor. I'm not 100% sure on that, so please correct me if I'm wrong. There we go, that's a better angle. Got the new sensor right here. This one is from Advance. EWD, part number CSS 901. So now with that bolt out, I can grab it and rotate it side to side, kind of break it up, and pull it out. This one has no O-ring, pretty straightforward. It does have one of those, I don't even know what to call this connector. I guess it's a safety connector. You have to pull this plastic piece to the side before you can press the tab at the back. There we go. So now it's just a matter of lining up the hole. I'm gonna get it finger tight and then follow through with the ratchet. So yeah, I'm hoping this will fix the problem. If not, I might have to bust out the oscilloscope, look at some waveforms, try to figure out what's going on. But yeah, that's how you replace the camshaft position sensor, or the crankshaft position sensor.